Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can duplicate a page in your WordPress website. So here I'm gonna cover three different ways to duplicate a page in WordPress. So why you need to duplicate a page? So suppose you want to change a design of a page, like suppose you want to change a section in home page. So what I can do is I will duplicate the home page and I will edit the duplicate page first and see when the changes. If it is looking good, then I can make it live as a home page. So there are various reasons why you need to duplicate a page in WordPress. So let's check how we can add this functionality to our WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So to duplicate a page, so let's check the first method. So I will click on about here. Let me just edit this page here, and as you can see that this is the design of this about us page. So if I want to duplicate this about page, what I can do is I will click on this three dot menu here, and here you will see an option like copy all block. So here it is, copy all blocks. Just click on here. Let's go back here and I will click on add new here, and I will type like about to, and I will click on here and I will paste the here. As you can see that all the blocks are now pasted in this new page. So I can simply click on save as draft, and let's go back here, and as you can see that we have added the duplicate of this about us page. So this is a manual method, but here note that you will not copy the metadata, like it will not copy the focus keyword, or it will not copy the feature image title. So you need to do the manual changes in this website, but it will copy all the blocks to your clone pages as well. But what if you want to duplicate these pages more frequently, then you can use a code snippet. So you can add a function file to your theme. So let's go to the theme here, and here you will see this option theme file editor, and here you will see this option function.pht. So make sure to use a child theme if you are using the function.php file method. So here if you update your theme, then these settings will be override. So make sure to use a child theme, otherwise you can use a code snippet plugin. So here you can paste a code like this. So let me just copy the code here, and you can simply paste the code in your function.php file and hit update. So do it carefully, otherwise you may break your website. So after adding this code snippet to the function.php file, let's go to the pages here, and if you hover this, you will see a option duplicate. So let's click on here, and as you can see that it has duplicated the contact page for us. So let's change it to contact to. Let's click on save draft here, and as you can see that we have duplicated a contact to page like this. So in this way you can add a duplicate functionality to your WordPress website using a code snippet. It also works with post as well. So if you go to post, you will see this option duplicate. So in this way you can use a custom code snippet in your WordPress website and duplicate the page more easily. Or you can use this code instead of the function.php file. So let me just remove that. So what I can do is I will go to function.php file, and I will scroll down here, and I will delete all the code from here. Here it is. So let me just remove all the code from here, and I will update the file, and I can use a code manager plugin. So let's go to the plugins here, and let's click on add new, and you can simply search for code manager, and here you can use any code manager plugin like WP code or code snippets like that. So here I am using the WP code plugin. So I will go to code snippets, I will click on add new, I will add the custom code snippet. So instead of adding this to function.php file, which will be override once the theme is updated, so it's better way to use a code manager plugin. So let me just paste the code here, and I will change this code type to PHP snippet, and I will name it like duplicate function like this. So you can add a name to remember this code. Let's click on active, and let's click on save changes. Now let's go to the pages here, and as you can see that the same duplicate functionality is added to our WordPress website. or if you don't want to use the custom code, you can use a duplicate plugin as well. So to add the plugin, let me just disable this function first. I will go to the plugins and I will click on add new. So this is the third method you can use to duplicate. So I will type like duplicate, and here you will get various plugins to duplicate your posts and pages. Here that is the use duplicate post. Here you will see the duplicate page option, or here you will see this option duplicate post. You can use any of the plugin from here. So let me just install the first one and let's activate this plugin, and let's click on skip here. And here you will see all the options, like whether you want to copy the title, whether you want to copy the slug, xsub. So it will copy all these functions, like it will copy the feature, image, templates, author. So using this plugin you will have more options here. So let's click on save here, and here add a prefix like this, like clone, and let's click on save here. And here you will also get more options here, like set the permission, like whether you want to show the duplicate option to admin only or to show it to editors as well. So you can give the options whether you want to add the function to the pages, post or something. So you will get more options using this plugin. So let's go to the pages here, and let me just go to the post here, and let me just duplicate it here. So as you can see that it will show a copy button like this, and here you can see that it is set to default, and let's click on copy now. So it will copy this, and it will see that there is a prefix added clone, and you can see that it is by default saved to draft. So in this way you can also duplicate a page or post in WordPress using a plugin. So if you use a plugin you will get a little bit of more functionality, but you can also use the manual method that you have discussed in the previous section. And there is one more settings. What if you want to duplicate multiple pages at once? So to do that you can use the bulk action feature as well. Suppose I want to duplicate the hello world second post and third post, and I will click on bulk action, and here you will see this option copy. So let's click on here and let's click on apply, and here you will see this option. So you can copy all these sections like this. So let's select all the sections here, and I will click on copy. So it will duplicate all the sections like this, and as you can see that clone third post, clone second post, clone hello world. So in this way you can bulk duplicate your pages in WordPress as well using this plugin. So this is the 3 ways you can use to clone your posts and pages in WordPress. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.